Charan! Flexing my lingerie for today. And guys, pack na pack yan yung ating turno lingerie. Ayan guys, pack, pack, pack. Ayan. Partira natin siya ng blazer na napakaganda guys. Ayan. Diba? Ayan po. Ang ganda ng kanyang ano. Ayan. So this is my lingerie for today guys. Ayan. A turno black lingerie. Ayan, I really love it. Pack na pack siya guys. Ayan o. Pack, pack, pack. I really love it. And for today's video guys, flexing my turno lingerie guys. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan, it's a Victoria's Secret. Ayan guys, nabili ko siya for only ayan, 350 pesos lang siya guys. Turno na yan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda guys. Oh, ayan. Ayan po. Fresh na naman ako guys. Ayan, ito yung aking ngayon, fashion for today. Ito yung aking nirarampa ngayon guys. The black color. And guys, I really love it. Pack na pack yan. And then, meron din tayong red color, guys. Ayan, later guys, if-fit din natin yon. Ayan. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan. It's a medium size. Ayan, medium size lang tayo, guys. And then, yung kanyang, guys, 36B. 36B yan siya, guys. Ayan, o, diba? Pack na pack yan. I really love it. And then, meron tayong guys. Meron tayong blazer na. Ayan. Itatry kung bagay ba siya dito guys. Bagay ba siyang i-partner sa ating sa ating black lingeries. Ayan oh. Ayan. Nabili ko lang to siya guys for only 75 pesos. 75 pesos lang to siya guys. Ang ganda. Ayan oh. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan guys. O diba? Ang ganda guys. I love also the green color. The green color guys. Look. Ayan guys. Ang ganda niya. Pack. Ayan. Flexing my black lingeries with matching green color of blazer. Ayan, I really love it. Pack. Ayan siya guys. Ayan, o diba? Ayan guys, yung aking likod medyo nag-shape na siya. Ayan, takpan ko lang yung aking tummy guys. Yung aking bilbil kasi hindi pa siya ganon ka flat guys. Kaya, ayan, konting exercise na lang to. Ayan. Konting exercise na lang.